This dance is called As Long As We're Together. It's a 32 count, full wall, beginner level line dance with one restart. Starting on the right foot, step the right forward, kick the left, step back on the left, touch the right beside the left. Now we're going into a V step. So we're going to step the right diagonally to the right, step the left diagonally to the left, and then bring the feet back to where they started from. So the right comes diagonally back to centre, left beside the right. So we're drawing that V on the floor, hence a V step. That set of steps once more then, off on the right. 7, 8, step, kick, back, touch, out, out, in, close. Add on a little chassé to the right. 1 and 2 count timing steps, side, close, side. Now we're going to rock back on the left, but when we do these back rocks, you're going to actually cross behind the right as you do that rock and recover your weight back on that right. Chassé to the left, 1 and 2 count timing, side, close, side, and again cross back rock, the right behind the left and recover on that left. That set of steps once more then, chassé to the right, 7, 8, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. Let's add those two sections together. Step kick off on the right, 7, 8, step, kick, back, touch, out, out, in, close, right chassé, back rock, left chassé, back rock. A couple of Monterey quarter turns. So we're going to point the right out to the side. You're going to bring the right back beside the left, and as you do so, you're going to make a quarter turn to the right. Point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. That's a Monterey quarter turn. But we're going to do 2 of them, so we're going to do that again. Point the right to the side, bring the right back beside the left as you make a quarter turn to the right, point the left to the side, step the left beside the right. 2 quarter Monterey turns. Do that section once more then. Off on the right. 7, 8, point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Let's add that to the top. Step kick off on the right. 7, 8, step, kick, back, touch, out, out, in, close. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Add on a vine to the right. So we're going to step the right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, cross the left over the right. Rock to the side on the right, recover your weight back on that left, cross the right behind the left, quarter turn left as you step that left forward. Make sure you have turned your body, you haven't got any twists on it. End of dance when we get to that point. So that section once more then, vine to the right, right foot leading. 7, 8, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn. Let's put it all together. Step kick off on the right. 7, 8, step, kick, back, touch, out, out, in, close. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Side, is slightly faster with the music, but we'll speed it up as we go around the other walls. So it is a 4-wall dance. Let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Step kick off on the right. 7, 8. Step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn. Step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Point, turn, point, close, point, turn, point, close. Side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn. Step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close. Right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock. Monterey, turn, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn. So that is your dance and your walkthrough, but there is a little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 6 after 8 counts. So you will have gone all the way around the walls, you've done the front wall again, you'll come back to your 3 o'clock wall. You do the first section up to including that V step and you restart the dance. So let's just take you up to that restart point on wall 6. Step kick off on the right. 7, 8. Step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close. Restart, step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close. Into your chassé. So hopefully you can see how that restart actually fits in. Wall 6 after 8 counts. So that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your restart information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8, step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, Monterey, turn, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn, step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, Monterey, turn, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn, step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, cross, Monterey, turn, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn, step, kick, back, touch, out, in, close, right chassé, back, rock, left chassé, back, rock, Monterey, turn, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, behind, turn, step, kick, chassé, Monterey, fine. Step kick, you restart wall. Restart, step kick, back, touch, out. Chassé, Monterey, fine. Step kick, chassé, Monterey, fine. Step kick, chassé, Monterey, fine.
stopping, never slowing. Yeah, we're living wide open, unwinding and rolling, like the clock is broken. Never stopping, never slowing. Yeah, we're living wide open. We know we are right open on the stars. As long as we're together, we'll stay young forever. We make fun rules, break 'em when we want to. As long as we're together, we'll stay young forever.
Hope you managed that one.